Hey guys, hi. Real short video. I just got to the post office. I got a box in the mail from Lee. 2 giant boxes of treats. Lee, you spent too much money. Those plus the shipping, oh my God. But I have to show you this, guys. I have to show you. Somebody sent me, and I don't know who sent these to me. Please tell me who sent me these. It's a cleaning cloth that's shaped like the moon. A cleaning cloth that's shaped like a tortilla. Look, it looks like a tortilla. It looks like you could eat this, a tortilla. The other one, the last one, guys. It's a taco. Taco Bell, cleaning cloth. Look at this. So I don't know who sent these to me because the bag showed up without any information. So if you sent these to me, please tell me so I can thank you. I think you are the funniest soul. You're amazing. And Lee, you spent way too much money, but I appreciate it very much at the same time. But thank you so much. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Wait for another video should be posted tomorrow regarding this topic. All right, see you soon. Bye.